Passwords are a nightmare. Memorizing and organizing them is very difficult, and they can always be stolen or simply brute forced. But there is an alternative: Passkeys. How do they work, and what do you have to know about them? Here are Passkeys explained in 2 minutes. Simply put, a passkey is any single authentication method that replaces a username-password combination. It can be a biometric device, like a Face ID or a fingerprint scanner on your phone, the screen lock feature, or even a PIN. Whenever you need to log in somewhere, your device whips up that instead of showing you this dreaded window. While simple on the surface, Passkeys use some cryptographic magic behind the scenes. They use a thing called public key cryptography. Instead of showing the password to the server, the device decides if your authentication was successful, and then tells the server that you want to log in. This has a lot of benefits. For example, nobody can hack a server and steal your passwords. Passkeys are also difficult to steal through phishing attacks, and are more convenient for the user. This is why a lot of huge companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft are switching to Passkeys. But there are downsides too. For example, if you lose your device, restoring access to your accounts can be a harrowing task. So are Passkeys a way toward a passwordless future, as many experts claim? Or is it just a passing trend? We'll see that very soon. And what do you think about them? Did you find this video informative? If so, drop us a like and maybe a subscribe. We have a lot of informative content like this, so check us out. And have a nice day.